Fáilte Rash, welcome back. Agus Fáilte Gadi Fish Nua. Welcome to a new video. This week we're going to start off a pronunciation guide series, and this is part 1, and we're going to look at how to pronounce vowels in Irish, short and long, and the difference between them. I do have another video that I did on this ages ago, which shows you how to actually get the fada on your phone and on a laptop as well. So the fada is the accent in Irish. So I'll link that up here and I'll put a card here that you can watch after as well. Also, there will be a free pronunciation guide PDF below this video. So you can go down there and you can download that now or after the video. So arrive in, on we go. In Irish, we have the 5 vowels that we have in English. We have A, E, I, O, and U. However, we have both short vowels and long vowels. So our short vowels are here without an accent. So just A, E, I, O, and U. And our long vowels have what we call a fada in Irish. A fada for short. Sheena fada is its full name. Fada actually means long. So basically the vowels are long. So we call this an A fada, E fada, I fada, O fada, and U fada. And they have this little accent going up to the right above them. So let's look at how we pronounce these vowels in Irish and these vowels in Irish. Firstly, a pronunciation disclaimer. There are 3 main dialects of Irish. These pins are approximate, but we have Ulster, Connacht, and Munster. Every word is pronounced slightly different in the dialects, so this pronunciation guide we're going to do is a general guide. However, you can always use any of these 3 amazing resources to type in your word and hear it in each of the dialects, and you'll be able to hear the slight differences or sometimes big differences in pronunciation. Obair.ie, you can type in whole phrases and hear them in each of the dialects. And in both Changlin.ie and Folklore.ie, you'll be able to hear words pronounced in each of the dialects. So on we go to look at our vowels, our short vowels in Irish. So we have 4 columns here, and I'll just quickly explain them. First, we have the English meaning of the words. Then we have the Irish word itself. Then we have a pronunciation guide that's not in IPA phonetic alphabet. And then we've included the IPA phonetic alphabet here as well for anyone who's interested in that. Again, all of these are just a general pronunciation and don't go into specific dialects. So first of all, we have our short A sound, and we're going to look at the verb cos, which is the verb to turn in Irish. Cos. And as you can hear from the pronunciation, this short A is more like an O. Cos. Cos. Our E here, we're going to use the word te. Te means hot in Irish. Te. And you can hear it's very short and it's more like an sound. Te, te. Our I in kill shows us that it's like an sound. Kill. As it is in the English meaning kill. However, kill is an older word for church in Irish. Our short O here in bug, which means soft in Irish, sounds more like the U in bug. Bug. As with all of our vowels though, it does depend on what letter comes after our vowel. That can change the way a vowel is pronounced in Irish as well. And lastly, we have our U in rud. Rud means thing in Irish. Rud. And that's pronounced like the U in English. Rud. So now let's look at long vowels in Irish. We have taw here. Taw comes from the verb be, to be in Irish. So basically taw means is. And the A fada here has an aw sound. It's long. Aw. Taw. Taw. She means he or him. Taw she, he is. And the E fada has an A sound. A. And again, you can look at the phonetics. So this is pronounced she. She. Taw she, he is. Or it can mean it is. She, the I fada, has an E sound. It's long. E. She. Tá she is she is. Tá she. Bow means cow, has a long O, and it's pronounced like O. O. Bow. And then you fada, its long sound is oo. Oo. Two actually means you. Two. Two. So tá two is you are. And let's look at a comparison then, side by side. We had our A here in cos, but we have our A in tá. Our E in te, and then our long E in she, our short I in kill, and our long I in she, our short O in bug, and our long O in bow, and then our short U in rud, and our long U in two. So hopefully that gives you a little guide, the difference in pronunciation between short and long vowels in Irish. It's always best to listen to the pronunciation of words, use their amazing resources, obair.ie, folklore and Changlin.ie, to hear different words pronounced across the dialects, and download our free pronunciation guide down below this video. Curve Mila Maha, thank you so much. I'll link the other video here that also shows you how to use the file in Irish on all of your devices. Don't forget to pop your name on our waitlist for our beginner Gaelic course starting soon. Slán go fóill, bye for now.